All right, today we're going to break down a really fascinating system. It's designed to take you from just an idea floating around in your head to a fully launched digital business in, get this, just 5 days. And it's all powered by AI. So let's dive in and see how this thing actually works.
This is such a common feeling, right? You've got all this ambition, maybe a notebook full of ideas, but you're just stuck. You're caught in this loop of indecision, totally overwhelmed by how complex it all seems just to get started.
So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to start with the entrepreneur's dilemma, that feeling of being stuck. Then we'll look at the 5-day launch blueprint itself. We'll introduce you to your AI team, break down how you actually build the machine, and finally talk about what it means to flip the switch and launch. Okay, so let's dig into that feeling of being stuck. It usually boils down to two big things, right? First, there's the fear that you just don't have the technical skills. And second, there's this insane pressure we put on ourselves to create something absolutely perfect before we even begin. These are the exact hurdles this system is designed to help you leap over. And this right here nails who this is for. This blueprint isn't for seasoned pros. It's explicitly designed for total beginners. The whole idea, the core promise, is that you don't need any prior experience. You can literally start from absolute zero. So how do you actually go from zero to a launch product? Well, according to this guide, the answer is a super structured 5-day plan that's all about one thing: taking action. It's about moving forward, step by step. Let's take a look at the roadmap. Okay, so here's the whole process at a glance. Day 1, you just pick something. Day 2, you build it using AI. Day 3, you package it up and make it look good. Day 4, you set up the system to actually sell it. And day 5? Well, that's the big one. You launch it. See? Super straightforward. No guessing, just doing. And that's the headline. The big promise. Just 5 days. I mean, think about that. One single work week is all it's supposed to take to go from a scattered idea to a real, live product that people can actually buy. So how is that even possible? Well, that's where things get really interesting. See, this crazy fast timeline isn't about hustle culture and working 20 hours a day. The real secret sauce, the thing that makes all this speed possible, is your very own AI team. A whole bunch of specialized tools designed to do all the heavy lifting for you. And we're not just talking about 1 or 2 generic tools here. The source material points to a whole suite of over 700 custom AI tools, each one built for a specific entrepreneurial task. It's like having an entire digital marketing department, but it fits on your laptop. And just look at how specific these tools are. You've got a course GPT planner to actually help you create the product, a customer avatar wizard to figure out exactly who you're selling to, a sales page writer, a funnel architect, even a 24/7 business coach for when you get stuck. Each one has a specific job. So you can kind of see how this works, right? You've got one group of AIs that are like your creative team. They help you make the actual product. And then you have another group that's like your tech and marketing team. They build the whole sales machine around it for you, automatically. It's a coordinated effort. All right, so we know what we're building with. Now let's get into the how. Here's the day-by-day breakdown for the first 4 days, showing what action you take each step of the way. Day 1 is all about psychology. Seriously, the guide argues that the #1 thing that kills most businesses before they even start isn't a bad idea. It's having too many ideas and never picking one. So the only goal for today is to choose. Pick one thing, a small ebook, a guide, a template, and commit. That focus is everything. So on day 2, you actually make the thing. But here's the twist. Your role completely changes. You stop being the person who has to do everything, and you become the director. You're the one calling the shots, telling the AI tools what to research, what to write, and how to structure it. You guide, it builds. And you're going to hear this again and again in the source material because it's so important. The whole system is engineered to remove technology as a roadblock. The AI handles the complicated stuff, so even if you think you're not a tech person, it doesn't matter. The system is built for you. Okay, so day 3. You've got a product, now you have to package it. And we're not talking about a pretty box. We're talking about the message. You use AI to figure out who this is for, what problem it solves, and why it's so valuable. You're basically building your own automated salesperson that can pitch your product perfectly 24/7. Day 4 is huge. This is where you build the actual engine that makes you money. Using AI tools, you create the sales page, you set up the payment links, you automate the delivery.
This is the moment your idea stops being just a file on your computer and becomes a real, honest-to-goodness business asset that can bring in income. All right, we've done all the prep work, the foundation is laid, the machine is built. And that brings us to the big one. Day 5, launch day. Time to flip the switch. And really, the entire philosophy of this whole system can be summed up in this one powerful quote from the material. Done is better than perfect. Period. That's it. That's the whole mindset. The goal isn't to create some flawless masterpiece. It's to get something real out into the world. So on this final day, the task is simple, but it's not always easy. You just have to push the button. You have to go live. It's about overcoming that last bit of resistance, that little voice of fear in your head, and choosing action. It's about finally putting your work out there for people to see. One clever thing the guide does is it tries to remove as much risk as possible for the person using it. By including things like a 7-day money-back guarantee to get access to all the tools, it just makes it easier to say yes and gives you the confidence to actually try. So when you boil it all down, a system like this is designed to do one thing: absolutely smash the biggest roadblocks that stop new entrepreneurs: indecision, tech overwhelm, and that endless quest for perfection. The blueprint is there. The AI team is ready to go. So the only question left is, what will you launch?